Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for joining me today. Excuse my dog's barking in the background. Right, these are my colours today. I will start off with this one. This is Interference colour. It is Twinkle by TLP, this little piggy. Twinkle is a blue violet Interference colour. Hopefully you can see the shift on the black. Oh, they're barking. They're outside with my husband, but a noisy car's just gone past, so set them off barking. Next colour is TLP Athena. Pretty rose gold. Then we have Tri-Art Liquid Mirror and Fluid Art Cono Cell Tri-Art paints, Canadian paints. This is like an iridescent white, but very glossy and shiny. This one is Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black. Amsterdam Greenish Blue, and all these colours will be listed in my description box below. Another Tri-Art colour, this is Copper. And this one, I can't tell you exactly what I used to make this because it was all sorts. I started off trying to make my own TLP Meteorite because I don't have that one yet. I have ordered it, and it was, I couldn't get the right colour, so then I added a little bit of blue to it, which made it too close to this one. So then I added some Diox purple, and I've got this gorgeous deep metallic purple eventually. So activators today are Atelier Tinting Pearl Titanium White with just a blob of Atelier normal titanium white in it, mixed with Australian Floetrol, nothing else added. Approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of paint. And this one is Pebeo Iridescent Silver, and I did just put a blob of Amsterdam Graphite because I wanted it slightly darker. Yeah, so head to the description box to see all my colours listed and the link to the Shelley Art e-course and my discount code to get you 15% off. Also the link to Fluid Art Co where you can buy, did I just drop that into a paint? No. Fluid Art Co where you can buy all the listed piggy pigments. Canvas today is a 16-inch 40cm round canvas. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be doing yet. I've got to have a think, but I just thought these would be the colours I'll be using. So let's get messy.
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences, yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain, what's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Grab my hand. Everything is grey inside this narrow maze. promises. Yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain. What's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Now grab my hand. Everything is great inside this narrow maze. Everything has lost its taste. Months of rain and chest pain. Heavy breathing, stay insane. Now grab my hand. Months of rain and chest pain. Tell me what's the plan? Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. Well, my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. In the middle, meet me in the middle. I'm a riddle, figure me out. We'll tornadoes, we'll drink morning dew, and we'll be lovers, me you. Full force tiger, call me out with them blue green eyes. You know I'm a fighter, the good kind, not running with lights. And when the night is high, like you and I will be soon, the moon won't have nothing on us.
like this one. If you do, please hit the like button and please share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And any questions, ask in the comment section below. And as always, all my colours, etc., everything you need to know is listed in the description box. So thanks again for being here with me. Appreciate every single one of you, and everybody take care, stay safe, see you all next time. Bye guys.